Okay, hello and welcome to the training bar. My name is Judith Boyle and I'm a beverage lecturer here in the School of Culinary Arts and Food Technology. And today I'm going to go through a very easy spritzy cocktail that we can make at home that's non-alcoholic, so everybody can drink it. So we're going to have a non-alcoholic mojito. So first we need is our mint. So we're going to get some lovely mint here. We're going to put it into our mixing jug. We're going to muddle it with some brown sugar syrup, which is a 1-to-1 mixture of brown sugar and water. So we want 10 mils of our brown sugar. And then we are also going to mix with our lime juice. So we want about 30 mils. So I'm going to measure out 20 mils in liquid. And then we are also going to put in two lovely wedges of our limes as well. And these are all going to be muddled together with our muddler. Get all the flavour into it. And then in our lovely glass here, we are going to fill this with crushed ice. We are going to get our strainer. This is going to be topped off with some soda water. And we are going to get our bar spoon, mix this gently around, top up with our ice. We're going to get a sprig of milk. We're going to weight the sprig of mint up so you get all the lovely aroma. And then we are going to garnish with a dehydrated lime, which is all for sustainability. And then that is our mojito ready. And this can be made in a batch and then served if you have guests, or it can be made individually as well.